आज BSL में हैं। आज हम यहाँ जानेंगे कि बच्चे यहाँ पे कैसे एडमिशन लेते हैं, प्रोसीजर क्या है और कैसे रिमोट एरिया से आए हुए बच्चे एक फ्लुएंसी की तरफ बढ़ जाते हैं और IELTS को ज्वाइन करते हैं। चलिए हम आज की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो कि BSL है उनसे मिलते हैं। Let's come in. ये हमारे BSL के स्टूडेंट्स हैं और अब यहाँ के टीचर से इंटरेक्शन करेंगे और जानेंगे कि यहाँ का टीचिंग प्रोसेस क्या है और यहाँ का मेथड क्या है। देखिए बुक्स में सीडीज भी अवेलेबल है और ये प्रैक्टिस टेस्ट प्लस है जिसे आप लगा सकते हैं अपने क्लासेस टाइम में और क्लासेस के बाद में। यहाँ बहुत सारी मैगजीन अवेलेबल है जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं। ये देखिए एक्सपर्ट कंप्लीट IELTS क्लासेस। फिर आज आपको हम ट्रेनिंग से इंट्रोड्यूस करवाते हैं और पूछते हैं यहाँ की स्ट्रेटेजी क्या है। गुड मॉर्निंग सर। गुड मॉर्निंग मैम। हेलो मैम। थैंक यू सर। सिट। हैव अ सीट। थैंक यू सर। So sir, how are you? I'm good. How about you? I'm perfectly fine. I'm here to introduce your organization, that is BSL. And मुझे बहुत सारे बच्चों की क्वेरी आई है कि BSL के बारे में आप पता करके बताइए, बिकॉज बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं जो बहुत दूर रहते हैं, रिमोट एरियाज में रहते हैं और वहाँ से वो ऐसे आ नहीं सकते, तो वो चाहते हैं कि जब वो आए तो डायरेक्टली वो एडमिशन करें। तो इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ सर।
First, hi. It's a great honor for me that you come to visit in our institute. My name is Akshay Diviti and basically I am a communication trainer for spoken English. I have been associated in this institute for the last 1 year and this is a wonderful experience for me.
Sir, what is the strategy of BSL? मतलब how you teach a student, कैसे आप बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं, कैसे स्टार्ट करते हैं, कोई बिगनर बच्चा है और कैसे वो जाके लास्ट में एक फ्लुएंट बच्चा में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, कैसे होगा ऐसा?
First of all, a student from BSL is exceptional. As soon as he takes admission in BSL, we started work upon the basics of the students. If the basics of the students is clear, he can easily lay the foundation of learning. He can easily able to frame the sentences and with the help of vocabulary words, and he can easily able to write down about any topic with his ideas.
तो पहली चीज आप लोग क्या करते हैं,
बेसिक
ग्रामर पे वर्क करते हैं और उसके बाद सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन बाय प्रोवाइडिंग डिफरेंट वोकैबुलरीज। नाइस स्ट्रेटजी सर। एंड माय another question is, what is the motive of BSL?
Yes, motive of BSL is that BSL makes students future ready to face real life challenges.
Okay.
Challenges like public speaking, stage fear, speaking fluently in English, and expressing and building overall the personality of student. BSL created it all.
Sir, how many courses are available in BSL?
There are many courses available in BSL, such as spoken English course, personality development course, IELTS course, TOEFL course, OET course, PET course, and 8+ foreign languages, including French, German, Spanish speaking, and many more. And also, online classes are also available along with international trainers.
Sir, I want to ask this question. Like आप ये बता रहे थे सारे courses हैं, तो how we can visit to this place BSL? कैसे हम जान पाएंगे BSL के बारे में, उनके courses के बारे में?
Yes, you can reach our institute through our website.
Yes.
And also we have IVRS number which is 800-900-0014, so that if you call that number, we will try to contact you and we will tell you all the basic information about this institute on a call.
Okay sir, thank you sir. Sir, how many branches are available in BSL?
More than 35 branches of BSL are available all over India.
Okay. More than 35 branches. Yes. All over India. Also, when we are talking Lucknow,
In Lucknow, there are 3 branches. First, Kapurthala branch. Second, Alambagh branch. Third, Engineering College branch.
Okay, sir. Sir, my question is how you deal with those students who belong from remote areas because they did not get that much ambience at how they speak English and they want to join big MNCs and many places. As you know, English is very important. Nowadays, English is very much important everywhere. So I want to know, and my viewers also want to know, how you guys, trainee, BSL and your organization deal with that type of students.
In BSL, students are coming from rural areas and also the students are coming from urban areas. But mainly, BSL focuses on those students who are coming from remote areas, rural areas.
Okay.
That means they are not able to understand what is English. They are not able to do the pronunciation of words. They have a problem in speaking in front of larger audience and they are not able to interact with teachers. So we try to remove the fear of students and also they have a fear. They hesitate in speaking in front of larger audience.
Your institute provides correct ambience for them. They did not hesitate.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
And also I want to tell you, most of the students who can easily able to speak in English, but they can't able to speak in front of larger audience.
Yes, sir.
So and also BSL basically focuses on the personality of student so that their personality can grow. We provide the ambience to build the confidence of student, and we not do like ratification. We provide a good fun learning atmosphere so that student can't take English as a burden. Student can easily able to learn English in a fun way. Student entertain by learning in English.
Yes, sir. Nowadays, I really feel that most of the people know English, but they are not able to speak in front of our audience because of lack of confidence and hesitation.
Yes.
And yes, I think this is a very nice institute for those type of children who feel very much low confident. सामने जो नहीं बोल पा रहे लोगों के लिए, तो मुझे लगता है वो ये इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत अच्छा है. और सर, क्यों बहुत सारे लोग जो है BSL को ही प्रेफर करते हैं आइल्स के लिए? और सर, ये आइल्स होता क्या है?
IELTS is basically a international English language test system, and IELTS is a platform which provides you the opportunity to study in abroad. And there are many reasons why most of the students prefer to take admission in BSL for the preparation of IELTS. Firstly, we have a work experience faculty, we have a simplified faculty, we have experienced faculty, and we conduct regular mock tests, and we provide a material which is required, which is essential for the preparation of IELTS exam. So that this is the reason why most of the students prefer to take admission in BSL for the preparation of IELTS, and we deliver a good result.
Thank you.
Of students.
Thank you, sir, and it was very good to meet you.
I am also thankful to you that you came to visit in our institute, and we welcome you all. And also we run our classes back to back, 12 hours classes from morning 7 a.m. to night 9 p.m.
Okay, sir. तो means इस time में कोई भी आप अगर
We run back to back 2 hours classes, and also any school student, college student, and any homemaker or office going people can easily able to take admission. BSL is for all people.
मीन्स अगर आप हाउस वाइफ हैं या आप किसी कंपनी या कहीं भी जॉब करते हैं तो आप 7 से
Even if you are a worker, yes,
7 to 9 आप कभी भी अपने चॉइस के हिसाब से, अपने टाइम के हिसाब से आप यहाँ आके ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. या आपको फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी टाइम की प्रोवाइड करेगा. और थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू इतने अच्छे से समझाने के लिए, हमारे व्यूअर्स को इतनी डिटेल बताने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच सर.
Ma'am, thank you so much, ma'am, that you came to visit in our institute. And also, one thing I would like to tell you that we also conducted group discussions. Like most of the students don't interact with each other, so we conducted group discussions so that each and every student know each and everyone, and they make friends and they make bonding with each other, so that if they go for interviews and all outside, they don't hesitate in speaking with anyone.
मीन्स यहाँ पे फ्रेंडली एनवायरनमेंट है और
It provides a good peaceful environment. So
ठीक है व्यूअर्स, आप अक्षर जी से तो मिल ही चुके हैं और आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे आपको फ्रेंडली एटमॉस्फेयर मिल जाएगा, आपको यहाँ फ्रेंड्स भी आप बना सकते हैं और हेसिटेशन की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। और ट्रेनिंग हमारी
Teachers are always there to help to clear your doubts.
अब देखिए हम अक्षर सर से तो मिल ही चुके हैं, हमारे इतने अच्छे ट्रेनिंग इतने अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करते हैं। तो आइए, अगर आपको बीएसएफ में एडमिशन लेना है तो आप जरूर आइए, अक्षर सर से मिलिए, जो इन्होंने वेबसाइट बताई है वो आप विजिट कर सकते हैं। और बहुत सारी क्वेरी हो तो यहाँ पे 2-3 ब्रांचेस हैं लखनऊ में और अदर जगह पे, वहाँ पे जाके आप विजिट कर सकते हैं।